Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a Pirate Syndicate video, and I'm going to be showing you today how to, hold on, let me just prop this up some shit. I'm going to be teaching you how to play a very hard song, but I'm sure you can all probably do it eventually in the end. By the end of the video, you should be able to play it. Hopefully you can see my fingers from here. So, this is the song in its entirety. That's basically the whole thing. And then it's got this little shred bit. We'll go. Yeah, I reckon you can probably do that if you really try. So as you can see, you can probably see my fingers, what frets they're on here. Just play. You know, that's the starting bit. You go 0, 3, 5. It's pretty tricky, but you'll get it. And fuck yeah, you'll be good. You'll be set. That's basically it. That's the whole thing. Have a nice night. Peace out. And make sure to obviously check out my website. And yeah, I have a Tool cover band. If you guys wanna, we have a show at the Opera House tomorrow. So yeah, make sure you bring a mask, otherwise you get fined. And peace out.